We're standing in front of the Wisconsin Ultraviolet Photopolarimeter experiment, fondly known as WUPPE, which was a space astronomy instrument developed to fly on the Space Shuttle as part of a series of NASA missions that were called the Astro missions because they were dedicated to astronomy, done from space. Unlike free orbiting astronomy satellites, like the Orbiting Astronomical Observatory, for example, or the Hubble Space Telescope, these instruments were designed to remain in the cargo bay of the shuttle and be operated in real time by astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle. So WUPPE was designed and built here at the University of Wisconsin's Space Astronomy Lab to do a study of ultraviolet light, and specifically the polarization of ultraviolet light from astronomical objects, such as stars with disks of matter where planets might be forming. This is something that you can't really study directly with a telescope, but that kind of geometry affects the polarization of the light. And so one can study the nature of these disks around the stars by studying the polarization of the light from those stars. WUPPE shared a platform in the cargo bay of the shuttle with several other instruments on a common pointing platform. So here it's on a little dolly that allows us to move it around, but in its original configuration it would have been in a larger clump of instruments, all ultraviolet astronomy instruments, and pointed and operated in common with those. The mirror of the telescope, it's a 1/2 meter diameter mirror, so it really is a telescope. The 1/2 meter mirror is back here, and the front end where the light would enter WUPPE is at this end of the instrument, and there's a door which is closed right now that would open up when it's in operation. So WUPPE and its companion instruments flew twice on the Space Shuttle. There were 2 Astro missions in the 1990s, and after those 2 missions, the whole Astro instrument package was retired, and WUPPE came here to be one of our exhibits at UW Space Place.